Hello everyone, welcome to Codex Academy. In today's session, we are going to know how we can draw different type of shapes on scratch screen. So here we go. So this is our scratch screen. Now we are going to draw different type of shapes. Before we are going to start to draw different type of shapes, what we need to do? I need one extension block palette. So I will go to extension and here I will choose pen. Now my pen block palette is here and all command blocks belongs to this. It's here. I don't want this cat sprite, so I'll just delete it. And here I want one other sprite, that is pencil, to draw. So I'll select my pencil sprite and here is my pencil. If you want to reduce your pencil, so you can reduce the size of your pencil. I'll make it 80. Now this is done. Now what I need to do? First we'll start with a square. We know square has 4 sides and each side's length is equal and angle is 90 degree. So we'll focus on these conditions and on the basis of that we'll make our code to draw square shape. So first I will go to event block and I will choose when space key pressed. So I want whenever I press the space key, that command is go to my this sprite and it will draw the shape whatever I want. Afterwards I will go to pen block and here I will take pen down. It means whenever I'll press the space bar, here the pen should be down. It means it start to draw. Now I will go to control block and here I will take the repeat action. Why should I take the repeat action? Because I know that square has 4 sides, so my action whatever I will give the command to it, it should be repeat 4 times. Now I will go to motion block and here I will take move step and I will take angle. I want to increase the steps count, so I'll make it 100 and angle I will make it 90 because in square we know all angles are 90 degree. Now you will see when I press the space bar what will be happen. So you can see a square is here. Now I want one more thing. Whenever I'm going to click on this green flag, my screen should be clear. So what should I do? I'll go into event block. I'll take when the green flag clicked and again I will move to my pen and here I will take erase all. So you will see what would be happen now. Again I'll just click on this green flag and see square is erased. So you understand how we can use the pen down and erase all command block in our program. Now I'm going to draw another shape. Here I want to draw circle. So what should I do? I will change this repeat action. I will make it 36 and here I will make the move step 15 and angle also I will make it 15. So see what would be happen. I'll press the space bar again and see. Oh, very nice circle is drawn, right? Is it easy? Yes. Now I'll again click on this green flag and then I'll take my sprite and put it on screen. Now I want to draw what? I want to draw pentagon. So what should I do? Pentagon has 5 sides. So here I will write 5. Move steps, okay, I will make it 100 only and angle I want to 72. Again I press the space bar and see what will be happen. Oh, our pentagon is here. Now you want to draw hexagon? Let's go. Again I'll click on this flag and our shape is vanished now. Now I will make hexagon. Hexagon has 6 sides. So I'll make it 6 and angle I will make it 60. And now we'll see the effect. Space bar. Isn't it beautiful? Yes, and very interesting as well. Now I want to draw rectangle. And in rectangle, what are the other blocks we require? We know the rectangle property. Their palette sides are equal. Angle is 90 degree, so we can make it 90 over here. but the sides length are different. Again we move to the motion block and I will take again step and degree angle. Here we'll make it 90 only, but the step count I will make it 150. And I will repeat this step 2 times. One time the length should be 100 step and angle 90. Another time the length should be 150 step and angle should be 90. And this action will be repeat 2 times and then we'll see the result. Now I will press the space bar. Oh, my rectangle is here. This is the very simple way to draw different shape on Scratch. There we not need a very difficult coding. Like this you can draw different kind of amazing shapes. I hope you like and understand this video. So please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you will not miss the latest update. If you require a particular video on Scratch, please mention it on comment box section. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Bye-bye.